So, hello students, you are most welcome on this YouTube channel. So, today let me discuss this potentiometer. So, what is potentiometer? Potentiometer is basically used for the measurement of the displacement. So, displacement is converted into output voltage that can be measured. So, how to measure displacement using potentiometer? Let us discuss now. So, first of all, just have a look at it. This is a wire of length small l. This is a wire of length small l, and the resistance of this wire is small r ohms per meter. That is the resistance of this wire, right? So for unit length, the resistance of the wire is r ohms, right? And here this is a battery, DC battery of voltage V, that I am going to connect across length L of this wire, right? And there is one stylus which is moving on this wire, right? So this is a stylus which is moving on this wire over this length L. So depending upon the movement, this distance will change, right? So suppose at one particular position this stylus is at this particular point, and here the length covered by this stylus is a small l1, right? So the output voltage is V0, right, that we have to measure. So here now what is the output voltage? Output voltage is across this length L1, So now output voltage can be written as V0 is equal to, now see here, the ohmic resistance up to this length L1 will be L1 into R, right? Because resistance of this wire per unit length is R, small r. So for L1 length it will be R into L1, right? And the total resistance of this wire will be L into R. So here we can write output voltage V0 will be fraction of this applied voltage V, applied DC voltage V. So here you write V into L1 into R whole divided by L into R. That's a value, right? So finally you are getting V, that is the applied DC voltage, into L1 divided by L, right? So that you will get. So here applied voltage V is fixed, right? Applied voltage V is fixed. This applied voltage V is fixed, right? Applied voltage is fixed, right? It's a fixed DC voltage that you have applied, right? This is fixed, and this length small l, the total length of this wire, again this is fixed. So small l is also fixed, right? That is the length of this wire, that is fixed, right? So these two parameters are fixed, small l and applied voltage V1, applied voltage V, applied DC voltage V, and length of this wire is fixed, right? So here you can conclude that that the output voltage V0 will be proportional to length L1. It will be proportional to length L1, right? Or you can easily conclude that output voltage output voltage will be proportional to displacement. L1 is a displacement, right? So here you have concluded that output voltage V0, that is proportional to L1, or you can say output voltage is proportional to displacement. So now you see, depending upon the displacement that you provide, you will get the output voltage V0, right? So that's how you can measure the displacement, and that's a job of potentiometer. Now what's the sensitivity of this potentiometer? Sensitivity can be written as sensitivity of this potentiometer can be written as sensitivity S will be equal to output voltage divided by length of this wire, right? So V0 by L, that is a sensitivity, that is a sensitivity, right? So here this unit of this sensitivity is volts per mm, right? Volts per millimeter. So here you can write this value of this sensitivity V0 by L, right? So that means for per unit length, how much output voltage you are getting, that is a sensitivity, right? So if you solve one question, if you solve one numerical, you note down a potentiometer has a sensitivity of 10 volt per meter. A potentiometer has a sensitivity a potentiometer has a sensitivity of 10 volt per meter. See, it is given in meter, 10 volts per meter, right? Now find the output voltage for a displacement of 40 centimeter. Find the output voltage, find the output voltage for a displacement of 40 centimeters. See here, it is given in centimeters. So take care of the units. Right? Just take care of the units and let us solve this question. So you know sensitivity is V0 by L, right? Isn't it? Sensitivity is V0 by L, right? You have to find out the output voltage. So sensitivity is output voltage V0 divided by L, or you can also write this V0 is equal to sensitivity into L, isn't it? So sensitivity is given as 10 volt per centimeter and displacement is 40 centimeter. So sensitivity is 10 volt per meter, isn't it? And here the length is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is nothing but 0.4 meters. So I'm going to write capital small l is 0.4, that is 0.4 meters, isn't it? So here you will find the output voltage V0 comes out to be equal to 10 into 0.4, that is 4 volts. 4 volts. So that's the answer. So like this you can solve your question on potentiometer. Alright. So this ohmic value of this resistance, it can be given in R ohms per meter or R ohms per millimeter, right? Displacement can be given in centimeters or meters or millimeters. So whatever will be given according to the units, you will have to take care while solving the numerical, right? So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. So do subscribe this channel if you like the video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.